Hello again, this is Priscilla Batzell. I'm in Spring Hill, Florida at Expressionist Art Studio, Expressionist Fluid Art Studio. This is a 11 by 14 inch canvas that I'm going to spread some Meden Black paint on, acrylic. And I just did my edges. I didn't want to have this take an awful long time. I was hoping I didn't put too much on, and it doesn't seem like I did. Might even seem like I need a little more than I've got. We'll try and make it work. The thinner the layer, the faster it's going to dry, especially on already painted canvas, I find. Now I'm going to try and attempt to continue a theme I started yesterday with my first single bloom. Now, if you're priming a canvas, you want to have a heavier layer, because especially if it's got Floetrol in it, it'll level the paint out. But right now, I'm not concerned with that. I am going to wipe that spatula off. I don't think I need it again, but it'd be nice to have handy. And there's my black paint. That's my Meden. I am going to attempt to experiment with a palette knife, and I want mostly white cell action. So I'm going to put some quantities, oh, I missed a spot, of black paint across, little puddles. I would usually use the Amsterdam. Now I may do more. I'm not sure what's going to happen here. Oh, that was my Chantilly lace. This is my Indian spice. It looks like it's not very closed up, just a little bit. Let's try it. It is a little closed up. I'm going to put that over the edge of the Chantilly lace in a line of demarcation. Now I thought I would use a little bit of pink carnation. Yes, I saw that chip fall. I don't know what the pink carnation, I'm going to put a little bit of jasmine with it too, I think. Actually, I've got crabapple, which I really want off my finger now. And I had some around here somewhere. There it is. My bottle dribbled. I had it leaning on its side so that I could empty the contents more easily. Come on. I know that, well, there we go. Little plug. Now I'm hoping that this palette knife is wide enough, but I'm willing to try it. I'm just going to get rid of that. I'm going to try starting from the left to the right. So I've got the wide side. Not sure about that. I got some, but not really what I was looking for. Let me take my straw. Now I've got a much thinner little palette knife, and I thought I wouldn't get away with using it, but I think I'm going to try it right now. May or may not work. The only way to find things out is to try them and fail. I suppose success is an option too. You know what I really want to try right now? It's anything it takes. I'm not having a whole lot of success with what I anticipated doing, so I'm going to do something different. That's the Chantilly lace. That's the carnation, pink carnation, Prizm pour. Chantilly laces also. That is the jasmine. I'm going to do a little bit of Miami magenta. Here's some orange crush. Nope, that was the saffron. This is the orange crush. And I've got a medium small palette knife. That's not big enough. But this is about perfect. Wait, I'm going for the big one. So I'm going to need this edge. I'm thinking about it and I want to put something else in there. That's more Meden Black. This is deep amethyst. Don't ask me what I'm doing, I have no idea. I got some of what I was after, but not a lot. Okay, so I'm throwing that in the bucket, or at least wiping it off. So a video no one will ever see. Alright, so what am I doing? I'm gonna put some more black in the center. Put some Mayan gold. Oh, and it's plugged. Come on out. Plug. Some more Chantilly lace. I'm being called to, and can I lay my hands on? Yes. Some Indigo Violet. That's frosted berry. Don't ask me what I'm doing putting that in there. More jasmine. And a smaller palette knife. I've wanted to use this small one for a while. I don't know what I used it on. I see there's some paint on it, but I think I'm just going to keep playing. I might tip. That is Amsterdam Black and Australian Floetrol. And I'm just going to keep doing it. More Meden Black. How about some Miami Magenta? Let's go with the, if I can get it to come out. Well, that was close. That's the Crab Apple Primary Element. And more Jasmine. And I'm liking the gold I see, so I'm going to add some of that as well. It's closed up again. Not my finest moments. Come on out. Sometimes the processes that are the weirdest turn out the best. I'm hoping that this is the case. Oh, I like that little pink spot in there. I'm thinking I want something up here, and I like how that indigo violet looks. I'm going to just skip the base layer of paint because I don't think I need any more black. I'm going to try some of the Miami Magenta right on top of the indigo violet. I'm going to wipe that off. I wish my gold was open. I'll try one more time to hit it quickly with the tweezers. The tweezers are sharp and they're on my Amazon link, and I recommend them over the ones with the bend in them. I had some of those, they didn't work that well. Well, I got something out. Alright, where's it go? I know I've got paint on my palette knife. I've really only got one area left to cover, and I'm really thinking that it's going to wind up being gold since I got the plug out. We'll give it a shot anyway. Crossing my fingers that I get some cells in there. It'd be really nice if I did. It's a composition, a forced composition, because what I was doing was not working. I think it would work on a much larger canvas. Here come my cells. I'm going to wipe that off. I think I have some cleaner cloths waiting in my water. I wonder if there's any tippability. I kind of doubt it, because there wasn't much of a base layer. I do see something tipping, but the something I see tipping, I'd like to go in the opposite direction actually. I kind of want a little more Chantilly lace right there. And maybe I'll just put a little cell activator on it. I have that little tiny palette knife. that's not bad. I like this like little tiny palette knife. I will figure out what to do with it eventually. Alright, so whatever I do now, I've got just these few spots of gold, and I kind of want a little more Indian spice. Disaster averted, I hope. I hope you think so too. I got a few more minutes. That big white spot down there, right here, is kind of calling me. I'm liking this a lot. I feel like I did a real painting instead of made an accident. It's a little busy, but I actually really like it. So I love you guys. Please give me a thumbs up, A for effort in this case. Even though I kind of gave up on the original plan, I came back strong. And I'm loving the colors and the composition. But once you put a tool in my hand, it's really hard to resist using it. Alright, I'm going to torch really quickly. Tell you guys thank you for the thumbs up. If you leave a comment, your kind words keep my morale boosted, and I really appreciate that. I'm loving the cells that layered on top of each other, inside and out. I love you guys. You inspire the heck out of me. Please share my videos and watch them longer if you have a mind to. It's really helpful. I'll look for bubbles after you're gone. I'm going to blow this in place. First, I don't know why I like this so much. I guess there's nothing wrong with that though. Alright, I've got a minute. I can still shimmer it at you. I think. I'll try. Yeah, lovely colors. And I don't mind the gap, because the background was painted black for that reason. Exactly. So if black shows through, then we're all set. Look at that. That's pretty cool. Nice save, Priscilla. I'm wondering about, I should just leave my little negative spaces alone. Something in me wants to just come back and add spirals or something, but I'm not going to do that. So my Amazon link is on my link tree, and so is my couple websites, and Pinterest, Instagram, Twitter links, Facebook group Expressionist, Fluorescents Studio Appreciation Group, Pinterest, Instagram, Pixels.com, Fine Art America, and underneath the video or spring clothing, Society 6 is on the link tree too. You can have my designs reproduced anywhere you'd like. Any one of those places. My community board will show you tomorrow's video. I have lots of playlists. If you like a genre or you like something earlier, just let me know what you like, and I've got all the links saved and organized. I give lessons at the house in Spring Hill, Florida, and I do sell my artwork. And I love you guys dearly. You inspire me always. I hope you come again. I'm going to start posting at 3:15 p.m. Eastern Standard Time starting in September. And that's right around the corner. My paint pouring recipes are underneath Show More, I hope. And if they're not, just ask me for them. I've got them all saved to copy and paste, and I'll give you what you need. Please ask questions if you'd like to. Comments are encouraged. Questions are just as encouraged. So, y'all take care of each other. Take care of yourselves. Bye for now. Priscilla out. I was trying to shimmer that at you. I think I did a very poor job this time. but it's very dynamic in person. So thank you for joining.